Hi guys, I am Mohammedul Islam and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about string concatenation and formatting of string in Python. So let's get started. Okay, so you see I have opened my Google Colab over here. Okay, now let me give you some example of string concatenation first. Okay, suppose there are two variables I have declared over here. A is containing hello and B is containing world. Okay, now if we print them, what will be A comma B. Okay, this will print them separately. Okay, hello world. But what if we want to add these two in another variable? Okay, suppose C is equal to A plus B. Okay, this plus sign is actually adding these two string into this variable. Okay, this is called the string concatenation. That means the combining of strings. Okay, now if I print this C, you will see output will be hello world. That means hello will be the first and the world will be the second. These two are added and resulted as C, hello world. Okay, now what will happen if I want to print an extra space before world or after hello? What will I do? Okay, just see this. We can concatenate string by this way also. A plus, this is an extra space, and another plus B. It will print hello world. You see, this space is added between the hello and world. Understood? Okay, you have to understand carefully whenever you are concatenating two strings. Okay, not two strings actually. Whenever you are concatenating three or more strings, you have to understand that after the first variable you have to always give this operator, which is plus. Okay, then you will be what you are adding actually. In this case I am adding a string which is nothing but a white space, and obviously after that you have to also put this plus operator. Okay, you have to differentiate between two variables with this plus operator, then you can combine it. Okay, if I do not give this, then there will be throwing some error. Okay, see, invalid syntax. You have to always concatenate like this way. Understood? Now, okay, just assume that I have as a two variable. Javier is name and age is 39. Okay, now I want to concatenate those. Okay, in typical way, if I add like this, name plus age, there will be an error because string and integer cannot be added. Okay, so for concatenating string and integer you have to do like this formatting. Okay, in here you have to specify format specifier over here. Okay, in Python you have to write like this, these two second brackets. Okay, now if you write like this, print name dot format. Okay, and in here you will be passing the arguments, which is age. See, Javier and 39, those two are concatenated. How actually Python did that? You see, this after this string is Javier and this is the format specifier over here, do two second brackets. Okay, two second brackets, and you see the age variable I am passing in the format function. Okay, this will be passed over here. That means what I will pass over here, it will be concatenated with this name. Okay, that means this variable. Okay, you understood? Suppose I am giving you more examples. Suppose my car is worth of. Okay, now maybe this month. Okay, now if I have to concatenate this, I will just say send dot format price. What will it do? This price will be Okay, this price will be passed over here. That means the sentence that will be printed is my car is worth of this amount. Okay, you can concatenate with multiple integers. Okay, suppose suppose you want to write like this, its tires price is, and its maybe I am also adding some string with this, color is, you can add string like this also. Okay, now I am assigning another variable, maybe 1000, and color is equal to red. Now what will happen, price tire, see what is printed, my car is worth of this amount, its tire price is at this amount, and its color is red. Okay, so you see it will be printing sequentially. Okay, the first curly brace will be located for this price. Okay, then this tire will be passed over this curly brace. Okay, and this color variable will be passed over this curly brace. Okay, these are called placeholder. Actually this is called, these curly brace are called space holders in this situation. Now you see you can also specify the index of these placeholders. Okay, now I am giving you example. Suppose you have to understand the index first. This one is 0, this one is 1, and this one is 2. Now if I want to print like that, suppose see 2 0 1. Now can you imagine what will happen over here? Okay, my car is worth of 2 index, that means it will print color over here. Then its tire price is 0. Which one is 0? Price. This will be printed over here, and its color is 1. That means it will be passing this 1 number index over here. Okay, the sentence will be printed like this, my car is worth of red, its tire price is 2000, and its color is 1000. See, so you can specify the index number if you want. Okay, so that's how string concatenation and formatting actually works in Python. I hope you have enjoyed my video and understood all of the topic which I have covered in this video. Stay tuned for more update, because I will be giving you all of the lectures regarding Python, and I hope you will be enjoying it. So stay tuned.